Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever: cybersecurity and data privacy. Imagine your computer as your house. You wouldn't leave the door wide open, right? So why leave your digital life exposed? In this video, we'll break down these crucial concepts and equip you with some essential tips to keep your information safe online. So, what exactly is cybersecurity? Simply put, it's like a digital fortress guarding your online world against hackers, malware, and other cyber nasties. It involves a whole bunch of tools, techniques, and best practices aimed at keeping your data safe and secure. Firewalls, encryption, antivirus software. These are just a few of the tools in the cybersecurity arsenal. They work together to protect your devices, networks, and data from falling into the wrong hands. But it's not just about fancy software and gadgets. One of the most powerful weapons in the fight against cyber threats is actually you. That's right, your awareness and vigilance play a crucial role in keeping cyber baddies at bay. First off, let's talk about passwords. Using 12345 as your password, not cool. Instead, opt for longer, complex passwords, or even better, consider using a password manager to keep track of them securely. Next up, phishing. No, I'm not talking about catching fish. Phishing is when cyber crooks try to trick you into giving away sensitive information, like your login credentials or credit card details. Remember, if something seems fishy, it probably is. And last but not least, keep your software up to date. Those pesky software updates might seem annoying, but they often contain crucial security patches that can protect you from the latest cyber threats. So there you have it, folks. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be scary. By arming yourself with the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate the digital world with confidence. Stay safe out there. And until next time, happy surfing!